How to exit safe mode in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can exit safe mode in Windows. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you can open up your task manager. So right click on your taskbar and open up your task manager. You can also use your run for this, but I'll just open up my task manager here. And after you open this up, simply tap on run new task. After you tap on run new task, just type in msconfig and hit OK. And this should open up right here, system configuration. After you're here, head over to boot, and on boot, here you will see boot options. Simply select safe boot and tap on apply. After you tap on apply, tap on OK and then restart your device. After you do that, your Windows will get out of exit or simply exit your safe mode. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.